Hi, everybody. This is a pretty brief video. I try to just check in, and these are totally optional. Just if you want me to kind of walk you through what's coming in the next week or so, then that's what this video serves. Everything, as you've seen, is hopefully in the weekly guide. This can just give a little bit more detail. So everybody's on the right track, it looks like. So you'll have received feedback on your math review assignment from due last night. Other things in the grade book, you'll be able to access your, daily check scores and things like that. One thing I do want to point out about the daily check, if you go to either where to get help or just through the content tab, either one will get you there, but let's go through the where to get help tab, and I will view this as a student, so you'll see what I see. If you go through where to get help on the My Courses page, let's open that in a new tab since it's not working for me at the second. Then you can see here that I post full solutions to the check-ins automatically at midnight, right after every due date. So if there were some of them on the check-in that you weren't sure about, then you want to just go ahead and go over to the full solutions to the check-in. And so, for example, check-in one has its solutions posted, and these are a PDF where I've actually then written out the solutions and with explanations, so that it's more than what you get if you just go in through the quiz section. And so that hopefully it will be a good resource. And again, that's separate than going in to kind of just review the quiz with the correct answers. Here you can actually see written explanations and work for all of those different questions. So that happens at midnight on the day that it was due. So if you can, right after it's due, go ahead and check those solutions for any that you weren't understanding. If we go ahead and look at week 2, this video is going to be posted right there. You should be working on lab 0. Reach out if you're having concerns about your lab group in any way. And then you can see now we're going to get into this cycle where Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays are our deadlines for daily checks and video notes. And then labs are going to be due on Wednesdays. And then additional deadlines on Sundays involve the module problem sets. This is the first time that you'll have the real kind of problem sets in Expert TA, as well as your first individual pivot analyzing motion assignment. So those are going to be due Sunday. And again, you'll want to work ahead so that you're not putting it off to the last minute. You'll have more chances to get this help asynchronously when you don't put things off to the last minute. One thing I am going to point out that is not in week 2, but it's at the start of week 3. Starting in week 3, Monday is Memorial Day, but normally on Mondays, starting in week 3, you'll have a quiz every Monday. So your first quiz will actually be due on Tuesday of week 3. I do have an example of the quiz format so that you can see what to expect. And the quiz is already available for the couple of you that are working quickly through the material. Note that you can work ahead and that quiz is available already in week 3. So as you're kind of trying to manage your time during this hopefully fun but also busy summer, then keep in mind that you can't, these are just the last minute deadlines and that you can make it work and fit in whenever you need to. So turning in the first lab, this coming Sunday, having your first pivot analyzing motion assignment along with your first kind of real Expert TA assignments. That's going to be our big thing for this week. You can see that kind of weekly, your grade in My Courses is going to be updated. To see feedback on your math review assignment, you go into the assignments and then you can see the feedback that way. Okay. Great job, everybody. Keep reaching out. I'm in Discord. I really love that you all were able to help each other in the question section of Discord. That's amazing. That's what it's there for. And great to see everybody, keeping up, and let me know if and when you have questions. All right, take care.